Right, so welcome. This is a help video for how to use the free visual writing targets from ictgames. It's a system I've been using in class for a number of years now, and basically it gives you something to put in your sticker to put at the top of the page, and they're visual targets. And you've got Key Stage 1 and Key Stage 2 type symbols that the children learn steadily over time. You build them up over time. This one's how can I read my own writing? Are my tall letters tall? Have I got capital letters for proper nouns and the start of a sentence? Have I got finger spaces? Is my handwriting the best it can be? Have I got full stops at the end of a sentence? Does my writing follow the purpose of today's activity? Have I got adjectives? Have I got descriptions of the verb, adverbs? Have I used but, so, and because, and that kind of conjunctions? I know that there's no, forgive me with these symbols, this is just the symbols that we came up with as a school that we would use. That hash symbol doesn't mean adverbs in any other setting, or that star doesn't mean, adjectives in any other setting. It's just a way of visually communicating with the children. But I'm going to imagine I've got a year 2 class, and I've got some children who don't use their capital letters and finger spaces, and I've got some children who need to work on their handwriting. But today's task is particularly about adverbs and using conjunctions to join two ideas together. So those are the ones I'm going to have. If you happen to use 6, or because it lets you use up to 6, then the rest of them become transparent. You can't select them anymore. But I think that'll do for now. I press OK. I get this symbol that I can now copy to my clipboard. So Windows Shift and S, or on an Apple device, Shift, squiggly command, and 4. So I'm on a Windows device. Windows Shift and S. I'm going to draw a box around that. A marquee, they call it, a marquee. There we go, and I've copied that to my clipboard by doing that. And then if I go to my stickers template that I use in my school, I can then paste that into my stickers, and then I can print those out. I might have the date and other things on there as well. But you can see I can stick that in the children's books, and it's a very quick and easy way to share my targets. And fulfill that commitment to sharing the targets with the children. So here we go. So I've got a child here who's written a beautiful piece of writing, incredible handwriting, and I'm going to mark it now. Now, forgive me, I know you don't need to see. And I'm sorry, I'm not going to be the best person to show you how to do marking, but I'll just show you how I use this. So in the school I was at, we would use pink for tickled pink. Pink was great, and green for guidance. So I'm reading this now, and I can see they've got quickly. Now I would draw this little hash symbol above that, so that the children could quickly see that I've used an adverb. Brilliant, fantastic. And then I would use a highlighter to highlight that they've used some adverbs. That's an adjective. So there's my star, so I can colour that on. Because I've got a conjunction, so I'll draw a little 2 arrows coming together. I can colour that one in, and we've got a capital letter at the beginning and finger spaces, and they've got incredibly wonderful handwriting, but I'd like them to do some join next time maybe. But anyway, you can see how the little symbols linked, because they're so easy to draw, they link to what's on here. Also, let's pretend that this handwriting wasn't so good. What I could do as well is on the next page, if I was marking this and the handwriting wasn't very good, I would draw with a yellow highlighter around the handwriting stamp, so that no matter what the next activity was, today's writing had an impact on tomorrow's targets, if that makes sense. I can demonstrate to the children and to my boss that I'm marking for improvement, that tomorrow's writing, I'm communicating to the children what I need them to do to how they can improve. And I think that's it. But basically, we found it really useful in school, and it's also useful because you can put this big image, you can copy that, paste that into your to make posters and things, so that you can talk to the children about what each symbol means as you go. And it just means that anyone coming into the class can see what their target is, and also it helps with consistency, because that meant that the different classes, for example, I was in a 3 form entry school, the different classes were all using the same system, to share their targets. So if children move classes, or if we were looking at different books, we could see that the system was the same. Okay, I think that's it. I hope it helps, guys. If there's any other symbols that you wish there was in there, please let me know. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.